Have you ever wondered how an icon just slides so perfectly across your screen, without stretching or twisting or anything weird? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain on the simple but super powerful rule that makes it all happen. It's kind of like a secret dance, a choreography written in code. Let's get into it.
All right, let's just dive right in with a little visual puzzle to get things started. We're going to look at a simple shape on a grid and just watch what happens.
So here we go. We've got a triangle just hanging out on a grid. Now keep your eyes on it. See how it glides so smoothly from one spot to another? It's like it's just effortlessly sliding across a sheet of ice.
But, okay, here's the puzzle, right? The triangle gets to its new spot completely unchanged. It didn't get bigger or smaller, it didn't flip upside down, it didn't even turn a little bit. So how? What's the secret sauce behind this perfect move?
Take another look. Seriously, what do you notice? The key here, the real trick, is to focus on what isn't happening. Its size? Totally constant. Its angles? Exactly the same. It's even pointing in the exact same direction. The only, and I mean only thing that's different is its address, its location on the grid.
Now, this simple little slide might seem like, a basic digital trick, but it's actually a fundamental concept that we see in everything, from really high-tech gadgets to something as creative as dancing.
That's right, this idea of moving something without changing it is literally all around us. And to really get a handle on it, we're going to look at two very different but weirdly similar ideas: a delivery drone and a virtual dance floor.
So check this out. It's really two sides of the same coin. On the left, you've got a delivery drone. Its entire job is to get a package from point A to point B without squishing it, flipping it, or changing it at all. On the right, you've got a shape that's dancing across the floor, following a very specific set of steps. One is all about logistics, the other is about art. But you see it, right? They're both about controlled, consistent movement.
Okay, so we've got this perfect, unaltered movement. It acts like a drone, it acts like a dancer. I think it's about time we gave this move its official name and laid out the actual rules of the dance. And here it is, the big reveal. This move is officially called a translation. That's the geometric term for it. It's just sliding a figure from one spot to another, but with one huge condition. Absolutely nothing about the figure itself can change. This is the official rulebook for that magic puzzle we saw at the very beginning.
To make this crystal clear, a translation follows what I like to call the three no's. It's easy to remember. First, no changing size. It can't grow, it can't shrink. Second, no changing shape. A triangle stays a triangle, period. And third, and this is a big one, no changing orientation. That means no rotating, no spinning, no flipping it over, none of that.
So let's just boil this all down to one single, crucial point. If you remember one thing from all of this, let it be this. In a pure geometric translation, the position is the only thing that changes. Everything else, its size, its shape, its direction, is completely locked in place.
All right, let's lock this concept in for good with two fantastic analogies that'll make the idea of translation totally impossible to forget.
Here is just a brilliant way to think about it. Imagine you've got a sticker on a sliding glass door. As you slide that door open or close, the sticker moves, right? But the sticker itself doesn't stretch or tear or flip upside down. It just arrives at a new spot looking exactly like it did before. That right there is a perfect translation. And now let's connect it all back to our dance floor. If a translation were a dance, it would have to be a line dance, where everyone does the exact same move at the exact same time. Think of it as the geometric electric slide. Let's break this down because it's perfect. In the electric slide, all the dancers, those are our shapes, are on the dance floor, which is our grid. They all follow the exact same steps, slide to the left, slide to the right, and those are the rules of translation. Everybody moves across the floor together, but nobody suddenly starts doing a cartwheel or facing the back wall. They change their position, yeah, but not their orientation.
So, now you see it, you know the hidden choreography, the rules of the geometric electric slide, and I bet you're going to start seeing it everywhere. So think about it. From the pieces on a chessboard to the apps on your phone, what else in your world moves with that same simple, perfect precision? You'll be surprised.